a surveillance drive, and we started off this with an action in Agasayan first, where there was a biryani place which we were tracking, Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. We had received the input that it's operating under unhygienic conditions, so we went there and we have asked this place to close operations. Then we moved on to Sangolda area, Bella Vista, where again we had received some inputs there. One unit was supplying mithai and farsan items to even five-star hotels. And when we went there, it was very shocking that the conditions were very poor, and hence we have immediately directed the owner to stop operations and also upgrade their licenses. They were operating with registration certificates which are not the appropriate licenses for such kind of a business. And another opposite that was one more place called Bengali Adda that was also supplying food. So basically, these were cloud kitchens working through the platform of these apps. So we have tracked them down, and they have been asked to close operations. And then now we have come to this Nopsa area, where in the Alankar, where we had done the inspections earlier, we had received one input that one of the outlets operating there is preparing the food in a flat, and that was tracked today. And we checked here in this apartment. We found that the gravies and the rice, the pre-cooking part was done here. It was unhygienic, and this too has been asked to stop operations. So this has been a summary of the work that we have done today.
सगळं अनहायजेनिक भाषेने सगळं तुम्ही आता तुम्ही ते किती करता
आता ते आम्ही immediately in the interest of public health dispose करतले. So we will treat it as garbage and ask them to dispose it in whatever the municipal channels are there. And again, we will not issue any permissions to such places. We will ask him if he wants to get this thing operational, he has to set up a proper kitchen.